Ihamba ezindlela eziningi ifuna ikhaya lomphefumulo ngibona wazi ngezwa izwi lakho lingibize ebumnyameni ibothea ukanita babukanita yumbani litho ukandinuwa sasanayimba jina lakho jina lakho sasanayimba jina lakho jina lakho
Yes, the first song of the Shofar Call is called Ngangilahlekile, which is a place which we mostly find ourselves in, right? Lost. And for me, I remember I had a vision of Joseph after his brothers threw him in the pit before he was actually sold to the Egyptians. And you can imagine being in a pit, dark, and you are screaming and shouting and no one is coming to help you, you know, day after day. In those days, it's not as if, you know, people were passing all the time. And obviously his voice would have died out, would have faded out from all the screaming, you know. So I pictured someone coming out like that, myself or anyone, and literally you've got that hoarse voice, you know. And when we played around with the effects, I liked that. And I liked the imperfection of it, just like I did with the single Storm, you know, in the vocals. And I want to break away you know, the smoothness, because I come from gospel where, you know, the notes have to be perfect on key, and then the gospel amapiano is also smooth, you know. So I'm trying to build my own signature sound. So this single, the first opening song, you hear that imperfection, and then it transitions. Now the voice is coming back and he's still singing that, he's saying Ngangilahlekile kodwa wangikhanyisela wangithola, you know, and then obviously with the Swahili. And so Shofar Call is actually that bridge of the EP, because all the songs they've got isiZulu and Swahili, and I wanted to make it unique for that, you know, specifically for the whole continent of Africa, and with isiZulu and Swahili being most spoken to. The second single is the Shofar Call itself. The Shofar Call, why I love it, I actually picture